With the buzz surrounding the release of the Galaxy S24, S24 Plus, and S24 Ultra starting to settle, Samsung is now shifting its focus towards the upcoming addition to the series, the Galaxy S24 Fan Edition. As per reports from Galaxy Club, Samsung is currently in the development phase of a new device with the codename R12. Past devices such as the Galaxy S20 Fan Edition, Galaxy S21 Fan Edition, and Galaxy S23 Fan Edition were assigned codenames R8, R9, and R11 respectively. Given this pattern, it strongly suggests that the upcoming device with the codename R12 will likely be a Galaxy S24 Fan Edition. Note, the Galaxy S22 Fan Edition, although codenamed R10, was never released. Aside from its codename, details regarding the Galaxy S24 Fan Edition remain scarce. In comparison, more information was available about the Galaxy S23 Fan Edition at this point last year, indicating a potential delay in the arrival of the Galaxy S24 Fan Edition, Samsung's Fan Edition model, by a few months. Given the timeline of the Galaxy S23 Fan Edition's release, launching initially in October 2023 in select markets with a wider release in early 2024, the current state of development suggests that the Galaxy S24 Fan Edition may not be ready for release in any country before November at the earliest. The hardware specifications of the Galaxy S24 Fan Edition are still unknown. While the Galaxy S23 Fan Edition shared similarities with the Galaxy S22 and S22 Plus rather than the Galaxy S23 series, including the Exynos and Snapdragon chips, it's uncertain whether Samsung will adopt a similar approach for its successor. As of now, we can't make any definitive statements regarding the specifications of the Galaxy S24 Fan Edition. While past Fan Edition models have been known for their value, a new report suggests that this upcoming device might have a significant difference compared to its predecessors. The latest report suggests a change in size for the Galaxy S24 Fan Edition. Instead of the expected 6.1-inch display, it's rumored to feature a larger 6.7-inch screen. If this turns out to be true, it would make the upcoming device the largest Fan Edition model from Samsung yet. With this bigger screen, the affordable S24 Fan Edition could provide a similar display experience to the Galaxy S24 Plus, but at a more budget-friendly price. While the 6.7-inch display rumor is intriguing, there's a conflicting report from Alexa suggesting a more standard 6.1-inch AMOLED panel. This size aligns better with the typical Fan Edition approach of offering a slightly smaller phone than the regular S24, which has a 6.2-inch display. That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.